Video tutorial to introduce the drama activities. This video was taken as a tutorial on how to apply discussed drama techniques in a classroom setting. Target audience and context is B1 level, class size is 20 to 30, class length is 50 plus 15 minutes, and the topic is technology and new media. Warm-up. Magic Palm. Each student has to find a partner because they have to work in pairs. One student in each pair has a magic palm that can hypnotize their partner. The magic palm leads the partner through the space. After a couple of minutes, the players switch roles. Warm-up video. Tell students they are going to watch a YouTube video on the evolution of technology. Ask students to predict how that activity or task is done. Distribute a sheet of specific technological vocabulary. Students must write about the invention of a new technological device. Main task. Play a role. Students must act out a scene from one of the given scenarios containing key vocabulary. For example, Scenario 1. The TV host introduces 2 or 3 scientists that have just invented a new technological device. Post-task. Review. As a class, review the language the students used. Ask the students to read out the sentences that they consider to be useful. On the whiteboard, the teacher will write the sentences. Invite students to correct any errors on the board.